I decided to do the apprenticeship programme because initially I went to university. I didn't enjoy it, just wasn't for me. It's far more hands-on, smaller classes. It's very good what Belfast Met do here.
I've always liked boats, and whenever I first found out about Artemis, I just thought I would give it a crack. I was so pleased to get accepted into the apprenticeship scheme, and I get up every morning and I'm happy to be here.
The Artemis Apprenticeship Programme is near enough specifically built for Artemis, the company themselves. Other apprenticeships that we run in the college are more tailored towards the aerospace or for fabrication building, but this one's more specific for the marine side of things.
I really enjoy the hands-on classes. We do hand fitting, we do 3D printing, there's a lot of 3D modelling with the computers. Really enjoy that side of things.
Before I came here, I had sort of basic computer skills. Now I can do things that I never thought I would be able to do.
There's a nice linear sort of pathway from the bottom up in which way all the students learn. You're getting the hand skills from day one. You're getting to do things, to workshop practices, you're learning things about yourself you didn't know you could do.
Future career plans would be to stay with Artemis for as long as possible.
I would like to stay with Artemis as long as I possibly can. The benefits, the whole idea of Artemis is just something that interests me.